So here's to hide online active status on Messenger. So first you want to open the Messenger app, and then you want to click on the menu on the bottom right hand side. Now you want to click on settings, and then you want to click on the active status, and then you want to make sure this is turned off, which is show when you're active. You got to turn this off, and then until I change it, and then click on pause. And then you will also need to turn it off on the Facebook app as well. So you want to go to the Facebook app, and then you want to go to the profile icon, and then you want to click on the settings on the top. Now you want to scroll down till you see active status, and then click on it, and then turn this off, and then turn it off. And like that, you've turned your online active status on Messenger and Facebook, and nobody can see you if you're online or not. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.